Al-Qaeda insurgency in Yemen. U.S. drone and cruise missile attacks. The U.S. first said it used targeted killing in November 2002, with the cooperation and approval of the government of Yemen. A CIA-controlled high-altitude Predator drone fired a Hellfire missile at an SUV in the Yemeni desert containing Salim Sinan al-Harathi, a Yemeni suspected senior al-Qaeda lieutenant believed to have been the mastermind behind the October 2000 USS Cole bombing that killed 17 Americans. He was on a list of targets whose capture or death had been called for by President George W. Bush. In addition to al-Harathi, 5 other occupants of the SUV were killed, all of whom were suspected al-Qaeda members, and one of whom, Kamal Derwish, was an American. In May 2010, an errant U.S. drone attack targeting al-Qaeda members in Wadi Bayda, Yemen killed 5 people, including Jabir al-Shabwani, deputy governor of Ma'rib province. According to The Times, in 2010 the United States, in cooperation with Yemeni officials, launched 4 cruise missiles at suspected terrorist targets in Yemen. According to The Times, Yemen asked the United States to suspend the strikes after one of the missiles killed a pro-Yemeni tribal leader, Sheikh Jabir al-Shabwani, the deputy governor of Ma'rib province, resulting in his tribe turning against the Yemeni government. The Times also stated that U.S. Special Forces troops were on the ground in Yemen helping to hunt al-Qaeda operatives. On June 3, 2011, American manned jets or drones attacked and killed Abu Ali al-Haredi, a mid-level al-Qaeda operative, as well as several other militant suspects in a strike in southern Yemen. 4 civilians were also reportedly killed in the strike. The strike was reportedly coordinated by American Special Forces and CIA operatives based in Sana'a. According to the Associated Press, in 2011 the U.S. government began building an air base in the Middle East from which the CIA and U.S. military plans to operate drones over Yemen. On September 30, 2011, Anwar al-Awlaki was targeted by a U.S. drone strike which successfully killed him, Samir Khan and a few other militants while they were all in the same car driving to get breakfast. Suspected U.S. drone strikes killed at least 9 militants on 16 and April 18, 2012, in some of the first such operations in months. The 2 strikes were in Shabwah and Abyan provinces, which were partially or mostly under the control of the insurgents. In March 2016, the U.S. military conducted an airstrike using jet fighters and drones in Yemen, killing 70 ACAP members. Since April 23, 2016, the U.S. carried out a further 4 airstrikes, killing a further 10 and injuring 1 al-Qaeda operatives. The strike on April 23 killed 2 ACAP operatives in Entral Yemen's Ma'rib Governorate. On May 19, 2016, a U.S. strike killed 4 militants in the Shabwah Governorate area of Yemen. On June 3, 2016, a CENTCOM spokesman said that the U.S. military has conducted 9 airstrikes against al-Qaeda militants in Yemen this year, killing 108 operatives. On June 17, the Pentagon announced that it had conducted 3 counter-terror airstrikes in Yemen between June 8 and June 12. On July 1, 2016, 2 al-Qaeda operatives and another 2 were killed on July 4 in Shabwah province by U.S. airstrikes. On July 8 an airstrike killed an ACAP operative in central Yemen. On July 16 airstrike killed 6 more ACAP fighters and on August 4, a U.S. airstrike killed 3 ACAP operatives in Shabwah Governorate. The BBC reported that between 24 August and 4 September the U.S. carried out 3 strikes in Shabwah province that killed 13 ACAP militants. On December 23, 2016, Stars and Stripes reported that 28 ACAP fighters were killed in 9 airstrikes across Yemen. September 23, in Ma'rib Governorate near al-Bayda, 4 killed. September 29, in al-Bayda Governorate, 2 killed. October 6, in Shabwah Governorate, 2 killed. October 18, in Shabwah, 6 killed. October 21, in Ma'rib Governorate killed Abu Hadi al-Bayhani, a senior ACAP leader and 4 others. November 20, in al-Bayda, 1 killed. November 24, in al-Bayda, 2 killed. November 30, in Hadramawt Governorate, 3 killed.